Hello, 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 people from the other side. Welcome to a new video of some nails. I did these recently on a live stream, but here they are in the full glory of seeing them, all that with that awesomeness of the trend that has been said to be one of them this year, the soap nails. But these are soap nails, as you can see, with a twist. So, yep, let's get into the nail art of it all and the greatness that my fellow followers suggested me to do. So I said, frick it, I'm doing it. So there we go. Enjoy. Here we are with the base color of this look, doing the kind of soap kind of thing, and this is the color that made sense to me. So yeah, here's my nice nails, all naked, ready to paint, and now I'm putting on that first coat of the polish. But of course, as you can see, as it's one of these creamy, light consistency ones, it's always going to be lining when you put the first coat or so. So you definitely got to put more than one coat. This is not anything of not knowing how to put it on fully, but then be careful not to move the brush too much to show spots. But there we go with that nice. And now going with the second coat. As you can see, that has worked a lot. There's still a slight lineage, so this is definitely very good polish, and you don't have to be too careful with it fully. So that is looking good, getting all the crevices, making sure that it's nice and done. So there they are all. And now this is the third coat. And I recommend don't probably do more than 3 or you may make it too thick and stuff. And the third one really helped, as you can see there, compared to the ones next to it. So with all that, I'm just holding them all in the base coat with a nice top coat. So, and then I decided to do a little bit of a twist. So I'm using these similar colors here that I have because I have tons of pinks to a whitish kind of colors here. So these are the ones that I'm using. And then a little bit of this sparkly hollow taco color because I just wanted to give it a slight little shimmer. And this went in that color scheme of it all. So see what I'm doing in just a minute. And yes, I'm doing the kind of like abstract nails that just use let me do the brush strokes. So I make sure there's a thin amount of polish on it. So I take most of the polish off in the bottle and only have a little bit so it can just show off the brush strokes as I layer those together, doing my swishy swish technique that I like to do when I want to add something. So yes, I'm doing the soap nails, but I've added this swishy swish. So maybe it makes it a little bit different, but there it is. Nice and done with that. And so I'll hold all those colors in with a nice top coat. I am using one a top coat that I've been a little iffy about, but I thought, why not? It'd probably be okay. As you can see, I'm now using some glue. I'm using my and I wanted to add this nice bow and all that. And as I did this on the live, there we go, holding it in and getting it nice in the glue. Where here is my nails, nice and done, EOCO. Gem and all to the pink of the colors, and of course the sparkle. There we go with those nails, nice and done, EOCO. I don't know about you, but I love them, and I'm glad I added that nice gem to go off that nice pink of a color. Mostly it was just all that swishy swish on top of the color that I chose for being the soap kind of look in a nail polish. So, and that was some good polish for dang sure. I didn't have problems with it, with the weird lining happening when I put a few coats, and if I sometimes move the polish a little too much, it moves it and then there's a gap at the bottom, or I don't move it that much, but I move it just enough and it does that. So the consistency of that polish that I use, especially for the main, seemed to be a very good, really great creme-y polish like that. Because like I've said, and as you saw, yes, those kind of colors can be hard to and finicky to work with, even when you know how to work with that. So I'm glad that it worked out and all that awesomeness is. So there they are. I hope you enjoyed it all. Please, if you did, and you do these nails, let me know and show me a picture. I love to see so. You can always post them on the Instagram and put Max Magic Nails as the hashtag, or especially put Max Magic and tag me in it, and I'd be happy and glad to see all those nail arts of them. Or if you just enjoyed watching and want to show off the video to someone, that'd be great too. But with all that in mind, with many more videos, as always, till next time, sparkle, sparkle, bam!